Khan's here, which means we're going to be making a vibrant dish today, a little dessert. Very nice.
Very, very simple dessert. My sister actually taught me this. It's not my recipe, so I've stolen this from her, so sorry, Amy.
It's a family recipe.
Yeah, so it's basically a condensed milk and cinnamon Filo pie. I don't know if it's really a pie. You just scrunch all the Filo up. It's really gorgeous. It's really simple as well.
There's only like 6 ingredients.
I know.
That's awesome.
Shall we get started?
Please, yes.
All right, so I've got some Filo here, and I'm just going to spread her out.
I just have some always on standby if you want to make desserts or cheese pies or anything like that.
It's the best. So all you're going to do is we're going to brush it with some melted butter.
Okay.
Like, just be real generous here, because this is what makes it really crunchy.
Yep. And I always find when I've got a huge brush, just like this paintbrush, it speeds up the whole process. Because I think that's the one thing when working with Filo, it's the time that you need to actually brush all the different layers.
Now, at this point,
Yeah.
I'm just going to scrunch it up really, really rough.
Cute.
Like so.
Yeah.
And we're going to put it straight into the tray. Okay, so I'm just going to keep doing that, but if you can get started on my custard, that would be amazing.
Excellent. So, like we said, a few ingredients: thickened cream.
Some thickened cream.
Yep.
Some condensed milk. And cinnamon. That's it.
I love that. It's going to turn into a custard if you think about it, because the condensed milk is so sweet, and then that's balanced out with that thickened cream. So without adding the eggs and everything that usually goes into a custard, 2 ingredients. Now, am I adding cinnamon now or later?
Yeah, add some cinnamon now.
Just a pinch?
Just a little bit.
A little bit.
Just a little bit more.
A little bit more.
Yeah,
Done.
we love our spice.
Great.
And then you can always dust some more on top if you like that stronger cinnamon flavour.
Yep.
But you can do some nutmeg if you want as well, or like some grated star anise is really nice.
That's a great option. Cardamom would work nicely too.
Yeah, that would be gorgeous. Now, I'm just going to keep scrunching these up so I can fill the tray, and then I'm going to brush some of the butter on top into the oven for about 25 minutes.
Very nice. So the custard doesn't go on yet?
No, not yet, not yet. A little bit later.
Custard yet.
The smell of the pastry and butter, so good.
It's the best. And look how pretty it looks. For scrunching is usually messy. This is pretty.
It's so gorgeous. Now, do you want to pour this over? You just want to cover most of it, but only let it kind of come up about halfway.
Okay, is this good?
Yeah, keep going.
And so you wouldn't cook this pastry, let it cool, and then put this on, right?
No, because the reason behind that is you want that pastry to soak up all that beautiful custard. I think that might be
enough?
good. So I'm just going to pop some of these walnuts on top. I'm just going to scrunch them with my hand.
Okay.
You don't have to do this. You can use, or if you want to, you can use any other nuts. It doesn't really matter.
I like the idea of having that crunch on top.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then my little trick.
Oh,
Just a
another one.
tiny pinch of salt, you know, to balance out the sweetness, the butteriness. It's so good.
And how long are we putting this in the oven now for?
5 to 10.
Oh, easy. Well, this is quite pretty indeed.
Oh, thank you. Okay, look, so we've got like little crunchy bits, there's little like chewier bits. The custard's all soaked in. It's gonna be so gorgeous. Let's cut him up.
All right. We have allowed it to cool just slightly, but it's still warm.
It's still warm. So that way, it just lets everything kind of settle for a second.
Yep.
It smells that good. And look, you can do any nuts. You can add a little bit more cinnamon on top if you want, or a little bit more salt, or you can serve it with some berries.
Yeah. And I was just even thinking other combinations, like vanilla, to emulate the true vanilla custard. You could have vanilla, so that'd be great.
Oh, how gorgeous those layers are.
Yeah. Great.
So sexy.
And we have some blueberries.
Yum.
And some raspberries. Go.
Just a couple, you know, just a little scattering.
Yep, little garnish. Wow.
That's
See
all
those
it needs.
giant blueberries?
They're so big. You can definitely half these.
Yeah, they're just bursting with sweetness. I love them.
Yum.
That is very impressive. Shall we have a taste?
100%.
Okay. I want this bit here where it's really custardy.
Wait, can I show you something?
Oh, no.
No, it's okay, it's okay. I like to do this.
Show me.
I like to take little slices of it off, and I don't know, it's just really addictive to eat it that way.
Look at this rookie just cutting into it the wrong way. Okay, let's try like
Right?
that. That's so much better. The layers, the layers.
It's super satisfying.
Condensed milk is a wonder ingredient. It's so versatile. You can do so much, just like this fake custard or this cheats custard, because it tastes just as good as real custard, if not better, because it's acted like the glue for all of those layers of phyllo.
It's super simple. It takes less than 35 minutes, and you've got dessert on the table for the entire family.
Yeah, this is the dessert you want to be doing any day, not just the weekend, but any day of the week. Khanh, you're a legend. Thanks.
Thank you.